So hello guys, today it was not a good day for the trading. आज बहुत अच्छा दिन नहीं था. If we draw our initial balance range, then it is something like this. Okay, this is our initial balance, and if you are going to measure out, then this is the narrow initial balance range. And the structure, it is overall structure, broad structure, it is of sideways day. Broader structure, it is of sideways day. In the pre-market analysis audio, I said to you today I am bearish somewhat 60% and bullish somewhat 40%, and rest I would like to follow the live market formations. Okay, and what happened after that is market is moving on the downside, so it is on the more towards the bearishness. But talking about the two session relationship, I told to you that today you have to look out for some breakout on the downside or on the higher side. It can be any side, but the thing is market gave us the breakout. Candle closing is also there, but the thing is I said to you that yes, many a times market is going to make some reversal. Okay, so kindly stay light and kindly look out for some initial balance formation as well. Which type of structure is formed by the market, that is going to be most important. So the initial balance narrow, yes, market gave the breakout, but at the same time those who are following this for the intraday trading, their stop loss triggered over here, and after that it has the drastic rally on the downside as well. But overall the structure, it is of the sideways day. Yes, now at the same time, if you are talking about the trending day, then criteria are fulfilling for the trending day. Yes, there is somewhat break on the higher side. The opening range is not that much protected. Okay, on the higher side we have to look out for that 34 mark, 42,334 mark, but it made the high of 339.9. So it broke that mark, but not that much. So still it is valid one. Still that is valid one. So after that market is moving on the downside, but at the same time one of guys in our Telegram group, okay, the premium group, he asked to everybody that sir, today what there is the probability of the trending day or not. Then I replied that yes, there is the trending day probability, but that is with the some indecisiveness. So यहाँ पर थोड़ा लाइट रहना चाहिए, वही ज्यादा बेहतर रहेगा, एंड वही हुआ. तो आज के लिए बस इतना ही है, और कुछ भी यहाँ पर नहीं है. हुआ क्या था, बस यही कि इनसाइड वैल्यू रिलेशनशिप है, मार्केट नीचे की ओर आया है, एंड बेरिशनेस थी, वीकनेस थी. बेरिशनेस के साथ वीकनेस वाला वो वाला पार्ट है. कंप्लीट बेरिशनेस तो नहीं कह सकते, बट वीकनेस वाली जो बेरिशनेस होती है ना, वो थी यहाँ पर, एंड एक वर्जिन लेवल था, तो वो मार्केट ने कर लिया. So let's talk about the broader picture, means broader on the weekly chart, because on the weekly chart on the last trading session I told you that we must have to be very much careful over here, because market is closing above the yearly CPR. Look at here, it is closing above the yearly CPR, and in this current session market opened on the higher side, but from the higher side it got the rejection. But at the same time, if we see, then in this current week we are having some bullishness, somewhat support from the lower levels, and market is trying to sustain on the higher side. But current week's market closing is going to be somewhat more important, because this is going to confirm that what is there in the market. If market is going to close above this previous week high, okay, sustaining over here, then there is some good chance that market may going to continue on the higher side. But if it is going to close somewhere around here and falls to the lower level, then there is the higher probability that market may have some rejection from the higher side and again coming back to these lower levels. Okay, so this is it for the today. What you have to do now is kindly look out for the daily pre-market analysis audio in our Telegram channel. Okay guys, Telegram channel की link जो है वो नीचे description में है, kindly join that. Okay, and it is completely free, and in this current weekend, okay, Friday and Saturday, we are having one workshop on initial balance and the 6 types of market days. So guys, that link will be in the description. Kindly join the initial balance workshop, because that is going to help you a lot for your intraday trading or for the swing trading as well. So this is it for today. Kindly like to this video, comment below this video and subscribe to this channel as well, because on day-to-day basis you are going to have this kind of post-market analysis videos and pre-market analysis audio in our Telegram channel, so that you can have some good trade opportunities, you can identify some good trade opportunities and you can well prepare. Thank you guys for watching this video.